Good morning, student of class 9. Today I am starting a new chapter, that is upthrust in fluids and Archimedes principle and flotation. So first I have to know what is upthrust. Upthrust means actually upward force is given by the liquid when we sink some body in the liquid, or that may be a air also. Air also produce upthrust. There is many example by which you can understand that liquid always give the upward force. You can pushing an empty can into water, pushing a cork into water. Condition for body to float or sink. If weight of the body is greater than the upthrust, then the body will sink. If weight of the body is less than the upthrust, then body will float. Look at that. Here, weight of the body is working downward, and where is upthrust is working upward. If weight is greater than that, then body will sink. If the upthrust is greater than the weight, then body will float. Unit of upthrust. Upthrust is a one type of force, so the unit of the upthrust is Newton. SI unit of the upthrust is Newton. What are the properties of upthrust? It is always work upside. Larger the volume, larger will be the upthrust. For the same volume, if the density of the fluid is more, then greater will be the upthrust. The upthrust always act upward. Upthrust acts on the body in upward direction at the center of the buoyancy, the center of gravity of the displaced fluid. Larger the volume of the body submerged in a fluid, greater is the upthrust. When the volume of the body is increased, then the upthrust will be increased. If the density is greater, then the upthrust will increase. That's why it is easy to swim in the ocean, because that is salty water and that have the greater density than the normal water. That's why you can easily swim on that water. And upthrust always works in upward direction. Reason for upthrust. Why the upthrust is working, or upthrust given by the water? Why? Look at that. A liquid contained in a vessel exerts a pressure at all points and in all directions. The pressure at a point in a liquid is same at all directions. Increase the depth inside the liquid. When a body, say a block of area cross section A, is immersed in a liquid, the pressure P2 exerted upward on the lower face of the block is more than the pressure P1 exerted. We know that when the depth increase, pressure is increased. Look at that. There is a cylinder. Pressure given in that portion and pressure is given that portion is different, because the depth of that portion is more than that portion. So the resultant force, as P2 is greater than P1, the resultant force will work on the upside. Hence P1 equal to H rho g, P2 equal to H2 rho g. From that we got that F2, or force on the upward, I got H2 rho g A. From that upthrust we got equal to V rho g, V for volume, rho for density, g for acceleration due to gravity. Effect of upthrust. What are the effect of upthrust? The effect of the upthrust is that the weight of the body inserted in a liquid reduce. If you insert a body in the liquid, the weight of the body is reduced. Archimedes principle, the very important part of the chapter. First read the statement. Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed partially or completely in a liquid, it experiences an upthrust, which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by it. We know that upthrust means what will be the amount of the upthrust that is given by the Archimedes principle? It is saying when we insert a body into the liquid that displaces the water, that means if a glass is full of water, now if you insert a body into that water, some of the water will fall down, or and what amount of water will be displaced from that glass, that is actually the equal to the volume of that object you have sink it into the water. And it is saying how whatever amount of liquid will be displaced by the body, that amount of upthrust will be provided on that body. That means if volume is greater, there will be more upthrust. If volume is less, there will be less upthrust. So if you can calculate the volume of the body, you can calculate the how much upthrust will be given by the liquid. Look at that, 300 gram force. A weight, body of the weight is in the air is 300 gram force. If it is inserted in the liquid, that becomes 200 gram force. So what amount of upthrust is given on the body? 300 minus 200, that is equal to 100. From that we got that volume is 100 centimeter cube, because we know that volume equal to water displaced equal to volume of solid equal to 100. Now density of water equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube.